You're tired of seeing your electric bill climb year after year with no explanation and no end in sight. Going solar lets you lock in a predictable, often lower cost, so you're not at the mercy of utility companies. 1. Take back control of your finances. 2. Protect your home from grid outages. Whether it's extreme weather or overloaded systems, blackouts are becoming more common. Solar plus battery backup gives you peace of mind that your family will still have lights, AC, or even just a warm meal when the grid fails. 3. Leave a legacy you're proud of. You want to model responsibility for your kids or grandkids. By choosing renewable energy, you're showing them what it means to care about the planet, your home, and the future. 4. Invest in something that pays you back. Unlike a new TV or car, solar panels actually put money back in your pocket. Every month you save is a return on your investment, and those savings compound over decades. 5. Fight back against corporate monopolies. Let's be honest. Many people feel powerless when dealing with big utility companies. Solar gives you the independence to generate your own energy on your terms. 6. Enjoy the emotional relief of doing the right thing. You recycle, you compost, you turn off the lights when you leave the room. Going solar is a natural extension of your values, and it feels good to align your energy choices with your beliefs. 7. Future-proof your lifestyle. Energy prices will keep rising, fossil fuel regulations will tighten. By going solar now, you're staying ahead of the curve and setting yourself up for a future that's both cleaner and cheaper. 8. Make your home smarter and more resilient. Solar panels paired with smart inverters and energy storage make your home a tech-forward, high-efficiency powerhouse, one that's ready for tomorrow's challenges. 9. Unlock access to incentives before they're gone. Tax credits, rebates, and net metering won't last forever. If you wait too long, you could miss out on thousands of dollars in savings that are available right now. 10. It's easier than you think. With new programs, financing, and expert support, going solar is no longer a confusing or expensive process. In many cases, it's no money down, hassle-free, and completely customized to your home. Find out how much you could save by going solar. Just share your electric bill and location in the link in the description.